We can't pass them because they're all over the place.
There he goes.
And they just wrecked. I've seen that happening.
Oh.
The federal government, meanwhile, suspending its public transportation mask mandate to September 13th. Findlay College holds a socially distanced graduation ceremony.
Please pause. Hold on.
Enrollment in Boston public schools dropped about 4.3% this year, with the decline concentrated among Black and Hispanic students.
Are you freaking kidding me right now? Yep, get back, guys. Oh, this is... No. Sweet. Woo! Well, that went well. How can you get out of it? Oh, yeah, you got good grip here. You just lost your back end, huh? That was cool. Oh, nice. Oh, dude.
This lady is running a red light. All incoming traffic. What? Look at that.
Okay, that's... What's he doing?
What the fuck? What are you doing? Look, wait,
I don't know what he's doing.
I don't know what he's doing, but don't stay too close. Stop, stop, stop.
I saw some guys sneaking around Mrs. Kent's house, Dom said.
Say a command or say help.
I saw some guys sneaking around Mrs. Kent's house, Dom said.
Say a command or say help. Command not understood.
I love that song. I love that song too. I went and listened to it after I watched the episode. It's not the song I would play at a birthday party. No. Probably not. But I love that song. People are gonna sneak off from this party, and they're gonna have some cake in the warehouse. The warehouse is the sneak site, clearly. And I mean, isn't Angela uncomfortable being in that room with all those other people, including her fiance? She doesn't have any guilt about it. I guess not. She has no problem sleeping at night. We've established that. That's true. Stanley is in the room with the cake, but he's not even eating it. He said his tastes have changed. Now all he likes is baklava, which I thought was a really interesting thing to say because baklava is very, very, very sweet. Like if you've lost your sweet tooth, I mean, it's nutty. I love a baklava. I do too. It's dense though. It's a dense, sugary treat. I know. Please? And I often eat too much of it and I get a stomach ache because, you know, they give you a tiny piece and I'll eat like 5 of them because they're just so good. Well, that's what happens with you. You're always like, Ange, look how cute. It's so tiny. I know. And then you're like, Ange, I have a stomach ache. I know. Dwight, Holly, Michael, and Ron.
The police and we'll take her off this guy.
Okay, I'm gonna call the police.
Yeah. What the hell? There's a truck behind us, you know?
He's doing that to us.
I know.
What, doing that 911?
You should definitely. We took a picture of it.
Wait. What is that? Can you read that? Oh. But I don't know what car are we on.
Show the
Maybe he's
time.
gonna do it again. Stop.
He was going to do that, okay?
Stop. Let the car behind us go first. Babe, I'm telling you.
Why is he doing that?
He's doing that. Stop!
Jesus Christ.
What is he doing?
I don't know. Let's let the car go.
He's doing that to us, no one else.
Yeah, but I need to change the lane, yeah?
Just stay behind him. Don't go fast. Please, don't go fast. Babe, stop! Don't! You can't.
What
the
is he
fuck is
doing?
this doing?